expands its reach to such an extent that we see diversity in everything. So why not on FBB Colors Femina Miss India 2017 co-powered by Rajnigandha Pearls? We brought the 30 state winners together at one stage, but now it's time to mark a historical opening to the final round of this year's competition. And to picture this, we head to a city that has royalty written all over it. Jaipur welcomes the 30 beauty queens for the biggest unveiling picture of FBB Colors Femina Miss India 2017.
My first time here in Jaipur, and till now I've seen it's a really nice city, and I'm really excited for the new experiences I'm gonna get here.
I really hope that the resort is like this. From the photos that we've seen, it very much is. So I'm really looking forward to going there and experiencing that whole vibe. We just got off the bus and then the gates just opened and there was this loud boom of music and people dancing. I think this is the warmest welcome I've ever received in my life. ढोल बज रहे थे, हमें पगड़ी पहनाई गई, टीके लगाए गए, सब डांस कर रहे थे, सब एंजॉय कर रहे थे.
The moment we entered this place, we could see this heritage building where we want to live in. It made us feel that yes, we are in Jaipur.
The locations what we have got around the property is excellent for the shoots, which shows the traditional values of Rajasthan.
Everything about this resort is royal and it always makes us feel like a queen.
The food here is really good. They have all kind of dishes.
दाल बाटी चूरमा हो गया, मालपुआ हो गया और गट्टे की सब्जी हो गई. मुझे लगता है ये सब वैरायटीज यहाँ पे जो हैं राजस्थानी खाने की बहुत ही यमी हैं.
If you want to enjoy the old heritage buildings and feel like a prince and princess or maybe the king, you can definitely come here and see how beautiful this place is.
So today we have our unveiling photo shoot, and I think it will be a historical photo shoot. It will be very big because we have all 30 state winners here.
We'll be featured on the cover page of Times of India, which is probably every girl's dream.
This for me is a dream come true. It was only something that I've seen in magazines and thought of in my head. It's so surreal that we don't really realize the profundity of it.
We'll be wearing outfits by Manish Malhotra, and I think it's a dream for every girl to be wearing his outfit.
It was really a big deal for us because it was like a dream come true. The lehengas were really grand.
Looking at all of the outfits, I've been so excited to be in sync with the outfits and do even more glamorous makeup and hair on the girls.
The 30 girls in beautiful garments. We've styled it with Shobha Shringar jewelry, which is absolutely stunning. We have loved the jewelry. We have really worked hard. It's been a couple of months that we've been working on this, and now the result is for everybody to see.
I felt like a queen because I know I looked like one. So I just wanted to enjoy the moment and seize it.
The 30 girls in beautiful garments. We've styled it with Shobha Shringar jewelry, which is absolutely stunning. We have loved the jewelry. We have really worked hard. It's been a couple of months that we've been working on this, and now the result is for everybody to see.
I felt like a queen because I know I looked like one. So I just wanted to enjoy the moment and seize it.
We got this feeling of celebrity because people around were just looking at us like, what is happening here?
We're about to shoot the biggest unveiling photograph that we've ever done in the history of Miss India. And just imagine 30 beautiful girls from the country in Manish Malhotra outfits against this beautiful backdrop. I think it's going to be something so spectacular that the country has never really seen before.
Although being here, we're very used to shooting and early call times, but this was a very different experience because it was so huge in terms of grandeur and opportunity.
Then I'm making them really tight. Is that okay?
The experience of having a shoot with Mr. Taras was great. He's incredibly encouraging, and for people who don't have too much of experience, he's very forthcoming in terms of telling you exactly what he likes to hear. So that was great.
All 30 of you can work together and get the best shot out. And even if one girl closes her eyes or is not ready or is slouching, so the shot is not done.
They all did really well. It was a great experience to be able to shoot so many people from all over the country. And I think all of them did a great job.
Come so I can see you in the middle of these two girls. Come forward as possible. Yes.
We were all standing in the sun and we were all smiling. But at the end, we somehow managed to get the final shot, and I hope that it will turn out to be really good.
We had a day off today, and so because of that, we got a chance to, explore the city Jaipur.
We landed at a private airstrip where there was a private plane that was waiting for us. I think this tops the list of the craziest things I've ever done. तो राजस्थान मुझे लगता है एक सेकंड नेम है इंडिया की रॉयल्टी का, बहुत ही कलरफुल है एंड बहुत ही खूबसूरत जगह है.
We have heard about, Jaipur's culture. It is so rich and vibrant. They are so colorful. We got the chance to explore that.
Just exploring the market and just been shopping, just been enjoying. We're all so happy. I think the smiles are reflecting how happy we are from inside.
This is authentic Jaipuri gudda, and you can just dance with this gudda.
The highlight.
Authentic Jaipuri gudda, and you can just dance with this gudda.
The highlight was when we were shopping, we met a very old man holding a huge camera.
I haven't seen such a camera before, and it was very vintage. He told us it was 154 years old. Body of the camera was full of pictures in black and white of all the royal people. He told us that this camera was being passed on to him by generations, and it was very sweet of him to make us all stand and do this whole activity with us.
We love Jaipur!
He clicked our picture and it was in black and white, and I think that is something that we are taking back with us to Bombay.
The journey has been beautiful in Jaipur. I'm definitely taking back some beautiful memories.
This was a once in a lifetime trip that we had, and definitely something that we are going to treasure all our lives, something that we're going to rejoice all our lives. We don't want to go back, but then the journey has to keep going.
States standing tall. Such a proud moment. Now, the girls are gearing up for the competition to begin. But being a winner is not easy. After the break, witness how these state winners are transformed and how they continue the quest for the coveted title of FBB Colors Femina Miss India 2017. Welcome back to FBB Colors Femina Miss India 2017. After a royal welcome in Jaipur, Rajasthan, it's now time to get down to business. Top-notch names of the industry get into grooming the final top 30. So, let's have a look.
The next activity is about smile correction, and we are at Dr. Suhas Lele's clinic, which is Smiles Forever. He's actually going to take us to the clinic and just check on our smile, on our teeth, and see if they need any correction, and he's going to guide us accordingly.
Last 5 years, I am just helping the girls for getting their smile done in our office as a smile care expert.
He suggested scaling for my lower teeth, so that's what I got done. And yeah, it's nice to know that he thinks that I have a decent smile, because if an expert is saying so, then I think yes, my teeth look fine.
Well, we're here at Dr. Twatra's clinic. We've come to see Dr. Amit, and he's essentially helping us with maintenance and enhancement of our skin. In the next couple of weeks, we're going to be undergoing a series of shoots, and there's going to be a lot of makeup on us, and so it's really imperative that we really keep our skin in top shape.
The girls this year are very well informed. This year's new format has led to a lot of new talent coming to the contest. So it's basically our endeavor to get the beauty further out from these already beautiful girls.
He was telling us about all the products which we should use for our skin, how to keep it hydrated and how to protect it from sun, which is very important when we go out for outdoor shoots. So it was a very important session for me to attend, and he really guided me so well to use right products for right skin type.
We're at the Pretty Slim Clinic in Bandra, who are the official fitness experts of FBB Colors Femina Miss India 2017.
Pretty Slim is a 12-year-old clinic for slimming wellness in the city of Mumbai, and we are using the latest technology to give you the wholesome and holistic treatments which is required in the field of slimming and fitness.
They will make sure that everything that goes out of your body in matter of fact is not surgical.
I'm studying medicine, so I know the basic physiology, but still there are certain facts about your health, about your body, on which you need an expert's opinion who's going to guide you.
So it was a great session today with the girls, and during this time of next 4 weeks, they'll definitely implement the tips which has been shared with them, and all of them come out winners.
Today Bata has called all of his girls to their showroom. Facilitated us with the bouquets, and the crowd is watching us. It's such a nice feeling.
And the customers and the staff were also really excited to see us, and they were clicking selfies with us, and so it all made us feel really special and feel like a celebrity. Since childhood days, we've been hearing about Bata, and now we are representing Bata.
It was a great experience. Bata is a great brand. Yeah, I had great fun. It was a special day for me.
So right now we have our session with Triumph.
We are conference partners with FBB Colors Femina Miss India this year.
Triumph is all about innovation, confidence and craftsmanship.
So at Triumph, what we believe is that lingerie is the foundation garment for all your outfits. And when you feel good on the inside, you look good on the outside, and that's what's going to give you the confidence.
It is really important for us to know what innerwear we should wear, what lingerie and what shapewear we should exactly go for, so as to avoid blunders on the stage.
So this session was really good, really informative. We learned really good points about undergarments, and I really feel a proper set of undergarment would definitely boost our confidence, not only in front of camera but also in the daily life.
At the end of the session, we got a gift hamper from Triumph.
Stars is a company which has been in business of cosmetics or professional cosmetics for more than 50 years now. We've been servicing the Bollywood for more than 35 years. This is the first time we are working with this agent, but we are happy and proud to be a partner. And and I'm sure that we're going to add value to the whole story.
So this is the first time I got introduced to Stars Cosmetics, and I'm really happy with the look that they've given me. My face looks even more defined and better than how I actually do my makeup every day.
So how was the session? What did you really learn from this?
I think it was one of our favorite sessions today because definitely girls love makeup and we got to learn about our face, about how to do makeup.
After having done makeup here, my skin feels very comfortable and very light because this makeup is not at all heavy.
A huge thank you to Stars Cosmetics for the session today. As aspiring Miss Indias, we have to do our own makeup, and so it's been incredible to come and see exactly how the professionals do it. So a huge thank you, and please keep the tips coming. I'd love to have another session.
I believe in happy, healthy bodies. It's very essential to keep your body happy if you want to be healthy.
I think there's a lot of misinformation about what one should be eating, and essentially all of the tips that Tripti ma'am gave us were in a situation where we can't really control how much sleep we get. The option set that we're given, she taught us how to make smart choices.
You can have everything which is natural. There is absolutely no issue. What's the trick is what time are you going to eat it and how much of it are you going to have?
I think that was mainly with the idea that you should have a very balanced approach to everything and you don't want to deprive yourself of anything, including cake.
So I absolutely think that this pageant enables us to meet the experts of the industry. And not just that, we are trained and groomed by them, and we get an opportunity to learn so much from them and absorb as much as we can.
This is a personality-rich session, and the aim was to help them to be able to deliver their best on stage.
Now say, I am the best.
I am the best. Now, to be a public speaker, there are a couple of things that you have to take care of, starting with your voice. Second, body language. It's not what you say, but the feelings with which that matters the most.
But it was all about understanding how to speak with certain emphasis and being a great public speaker. And it's also part of your charisma. When you have great diction, then it adds to the whole feel.
It's a very proud moment for us to be able to see such a fabulous talent in our country. It's not just beauty on the outside, it's a lot of beauty is there inside.
This was a beautiful surprise by Olivia, which I really liked. Thank you so much, Olivia, for getting all of this for us to rejuvenate our skin, because obviously the whole day we've been out, we're traveling, and then there's tons of makeup on our face. So the moment we get our makeup out, we want some facial treatment and everything out of a busy schedule. So we definitely can't afford to go to the salon, but you've got it here for us.
Thank you so much, Olivia, for such a great surprise. We love the products, and we cannot wait to use it.
Our INI FD session is going to start and I'm really excited about it. It will be taken by Tisha Khosla.
My session is about making the girls understand how they can incorporate certain trends